Hi folks, this video segment is about how to do your final slide, that poster. Pay attention to this guiding question. Everything you do is about addressing this question. Your claim answers the question. Changing the population of the wolves had no effect, increased, decreased the population of the sheep. Changing the food source, the food in the grass, increase, decrease, had no effect on the population of sheep, right? Talk about how your variables affected these populations. Write a claim that helps you answer the question. What were your results? In your justification, explain why you chose the variables you did and what the advantages and disadvantages are of using the simulator. So your claim may turn out to be 2 sentences because you're going to talk about how your individual independent variable turned out and this larger question. Your justification is at least 2 sentences because you're describing what you did and why you did it. Your explanation is probably 6 to 9 sentences. Answer the question. That's your claim. Describe your data. And you took a lot of data. You have 3 graphs to describe. So describe those graphs and how they support your claim. Then go back to the reading. Go back to the video from Wednesday and your readings on CK12 and use those big ideas of population growth, competition, predator-prey relationships, what's going on in an ecosystem and what the energy flow in an ecosystem is. You can even think about the Yellowstone wolves example. What is the relationship between predator and prey populations? Use all of those ideas to support your claim. So I hope this helps. Have a good day.